Hi, this is Michael Hughes with Merritt's. Today we're going to talk about the Roadster series of scooters. The Roadster 3 is a 3-wheel scooter and the Roadster 4 is a 4-wheel scooter. They are both coded as a K0800. Both the Roadster 3 and 4 are 300 pounds capacity and feature a deluxe fish-on seat that measures 18 by 17 by 15. The Roadster 3 and 4 both feature a 16 to 18 inch seat to deck height. The Roadster 3 and 4 both feature 12 amp hour batteries and have a range up to 6 miles per charge. The Roadster 3 is one of the lightest portable scooters on the market, with the heaviest component only weighing 29 pounds. The Roadster 3 also features a very tight turning radius at only 35.4 inches. If you're looking for more stability, the Roadster 4 definitely offers that. With 4 wheels on the ground, it still has a really tight turning radius at 43.3 inches. The Roadster 3 and 4 both feature multiple charging points. There's one underneath the dash on the tiller. There's also one on the battery pack, which makes it really nice just to be able to remove the battery pack and take it inside to charge. The Roadster scooters disassemble into 5 light pieces. The first step in disassembly involves removing the seat. You should first fold the seat flat and then grab the lever to easily release the seat from the post. Next, you should remove the battery pack. To do so, gently grab the handle and lift up. Next, you want to separate the front and rear sections of the base. To do so, press the black lever that says push. You will notice that the 2 sections easily come apart into 2 separate pieces. You should always flip the release lever to engage the wheel lock. This will prevent the tiller from moving when disassembling. The final steps involve removing the basket and folding down the tiller. To do so, gently push on the bottom of the basket until it releases. The final step is to lower the tiller. You can do that by loosening the hand crank, which will allow the tiller to fold down, and then you want to tighten it to secure it. One of the really nice features on the Roadster series of scooters is how the rear and front sections connect. The power supply uses a much sturdier connection that isn't able to get jammed or bent, which can be very complex and expensive repair. What makes this design unique are the U-shaped brackets on the rear of the frame. It makes reassembling the scooter very easy because you can let gravity do the work for you. The Roadster series also features a 3-wheel deluxe model, which is our most premium portable scooter. The Roadster Deluxe has 3 distinguishing features. First is the hydraulic adjusting tiller, which makes adjusting the tiller extremely easy and convenient. Next is the extra bright LED headlight. Finally, the Roadster Deluxe features 2 15 amp hour batteries, which gives the unit up to 8 miles per charge. After reviewing the features and benefits of the Roadster series of scooters, you can see what makes them unique. To see these innovative products in person, please contact your local Merritt's provider. We thank you for your time today and be sure to be on the lookout for more videos.